everyone, how's it going? So after the success of my last Garten of Banban surprise fold, I thought I would show you how to draw another one featuring Banban. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Garten of Banban surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to go ahead and line up the corners like this and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Then I'm going to line up the corners one more time and I'm going to fold it again. This way I kind of have like a bookmark shape. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines in here that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I always like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up like this for the surprise. Now to start off with Banban, let's begin by drawing his face. So I'm going to start down here and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over the fold and up towards the top. Next, I'm going to bring this down, and then I'm going to curve it back up here. Then we're going to curve this around, and we'll come right down to the fold. And then I'm going to bring this down here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little curve here, and then a little curve right here for the top. And then I'm going to draw a few little diagonal lines right across here. Do the same thing here, just a few little diagonal lines across. Now for the eyes, I'm going to begin by making a circle right here for one of the eyes. And then I'll make another circle right over here for the other eye. Trying to keep them about the same size. And then down here we'll just make a little smiley face shape. Over here I'm going to make a circle inside each eye, so we'll just have it on the left side. I'm going to draw a smaller circle inside of here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and color in this for the pupils. So let's go ahead and fill this in right around here. Now the next step is we want to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once I open this up, I have my two halves of Banban. Now, the first thing I want to do is I'm going to bring this line down a little bit, and I'll do the same thing over here. And then I'll just bring this line up a little bit on each side. Now, starting right here, I'm going to begin by making a curved kind of smiley face shape, and I'm going to stop it right about here. Then I'm going to make the tongue. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and I'm going to bring it up to here. And then I'll make a curved line here, and then a little bump right there to connect it. Now, inside of here, I want to draw a few of the Garten of Banban characters. So first I'll draw Bambolina. To start off with Bambolina, I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to come down. I'll draw a little line across here. And then I'm going to make a circle right here for the bow. I'll make a little square shape here, and then another kind of squared shape right there. Then I'll make lines going to come up and down. And we'll just come all the way down to here. I'll draw a circle for an eye right here, and then another circle for an eye right here. Then I'll draw another circle inside of each one for the pupil. And we'll just go ahead and color this in. I want to make a smiley face shape like this. And then I'm just going to curve it around here. And then I'm just going to make some little lines coming down for the teeth. And then I'm just going to put a couple little eyelashes on here. Now, next I'm going to draw Slow Celine over here. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a little line that curves out on each side here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down to connect it. I'll draw a line that's going to curve in, and same thing here. I'll draw a line here, and then I'm just going to curve it around here for the mouth. I'm going to go in and then out on each side with a line across for the teeth. I'll make 2 lines here, and then 2 lines here. I'm going to make a circle here, and I'm going to make a circle here. And then I'll make a little pupil that I'm going to color in here, and then I'll do the same thing over here for the pupils. Now over here I'm going to make Chef Pigster. So I'm going to begin by making a sad face right here. And then I'm going to make a little curve here. And then I'm going to make a big curve right here. I'll make another little line here. I'll draw a circle for an eye, and then another circle for an eye. Then I'll make an oval shape for a nose. I'll make a black dot inside each one. And then I'll make a black dot over here for the pupils. I'll make a little point for the ears. And then a little line or 2 that come up. And then some bumpy lines that come around here for his little chef hat. We'll add a couple lines in there. Right here, I'm going to make a bigger circle for an eye, and then one here. I'm going to make a black dot here and a black dot here. And then I'm going to make a big smiley face shape here. And we're going to curve this down to here and up here. Then I'm going to make some round teeth here and then some round teeth here. And another little line right there. And I like to add a little line underneath each eye. Now, up here, I'm going to add Coach Pickles. Now, to start off with Coach Pickles, I'm going to begin by making a circle right here for an eye. And then I'll make another circle right here for an eye. I'm going to color in a circle here for the pupil, and I'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around and then out here. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, just curve this around. We're gonna bring it up to here, and I'll make like an oval shape at the end. I want to make a line here for a smile, and then a line right here. It's going to curve up and down. I'll put a bump right here and a bump right here for the tusk. I'm going to curve this line around here. Now I'm going to make a little curved line right here. I'm going to put a black dot or 2 inside there. Make a line that's going to come up and down for an ear, and same thing over here, up and down, with a little line inside each one. Now let's finish this off by adding the rest of Banban's mouth. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to jump right up to here, and I'm going to come up here. I'm going to curve this down, and then I'll bring it back up and down to here. Then I'm going to connect this down to here. And connect it over there. I'll put a little curved line here, and a little curved line here, right underneath the fold. And there you go, there is another Garten of Banban surprise fold. So when we have this all folded up, I have just a simple Banban face, but then when I open it, he's got a mouth full of characters. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.